So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to duplicate this layer here so we can see it before and after. So click on this icon here to duplicate. And now we need to make a selection here from the pillow. So you can use any selection tool. So for me, I'm going to use the path tool. Press enter to zoom in. And now make your selection. So now I almost finished. So now I just need to link the last path here with the first one. Hold the control key and then left click here on the first one. And now just press enter. So here it is. Here's my selection. The pillow. And now right click on the layer. Select add layer mask. And then check the selection layer mask and then add. So now if I hide the bottom layer. So we have only the pillow here. So here it is. And now let's reveal it. So if you want to remove the paths here, just select another tool. And now you can remove the selection too. So go to select, none. And now I'm going to bring my pattern. So this is the pattern I'm going to use. So for now I'm going to scale it down, reduce the opacity. So here it is, and then scale it down to fill the whole pillow. Select the scale tool. And now press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. And now hold the control key and then scale it from one of the handles here to scale it proportionally. So I think here it's okay. It's covering all the pillow. And now click on scale. And now let's bring back the opacity all the way up. And now we need to create a layer group. So click on this icon. I'm going to place, so I'm going to select the move tool. I'm going to place both these layers, this one here, with the mask, with the pillow, and my pattern. So select the image layer, the one with the layer mask, hold the shift key and then select the pattern layer, this one. So here it is, we have two items selected. And now drag them inside the layer group. And now, for example, if I change the layer mode of the pattern layer, so let's change it. It will affect only the pillow. So here it is because of the mask. So here it is. You can also, for example, change the pattern, change the image. Let's select the bottom one, press the plus key. And now let's select the layer group. Click on this arrow here to open it. And now if you want to blend it more, and now select the pattern layer and then go to colors and then levels. And now here you can still play a little bit here with the levels. So I think I'm going to use this one here and now press OK. Now I'm going to close the layer group. So here it is. And now let's see the before and after.